Today I'm going to describe my wrist support bar. I came up with this concept the day before I'd planned to bike from Pierce, South Dakota to North Pole, Alaska. I had checked with bike stores and worked with professionals there to find something that would help support my wrists, because biking 25 to 50 miles, depending on the roughness of the road, I would have wrist problems. And so I adjusted my handlebar with adjustable stem. I took my old stem, put it on my adjustable stem. I don't know if you can see that. There's an adjustable stem that's tilted out at 10 degrees for me, 10 degrees. This 4-inch stem is connected to it. A 28-inch piece of PVC runs through the bike stem. And you'll notice that on the right side, it's fairly close to this concaved handlebar. They call it straight handlebar, but they're concaved, slightly concaved, and extends beyond the handlebar on the left. So when I lay my bike down, I don't have a bike stand, so when I lay my bike down, it doesn't break my mirror. Now, my mirror would still be there had I not laid it into a rock, but one thing the bike stores did give me or suggest is padded gloves, palm pads, or I call them palm pads, with full access to the gears. My wrist, for me, is a 20-degree angle down. My wrists, I don't know if you can see that, but there's flex in this PVC. And so I ride comfortably with both wrists supported on the wrist support bar, have my seat adjusted appropriately, and my handlebar adjusted out, and I find it extremely comfortable. I turned 65 and took off for North Pole, Alaska from Pierce, South Dakota, and biked 3,000 miles the day after I put this concept together. I have a number of other patents, but I am not patenting this. It's described in my book, Destination North Pole, but absolutely no issues with my wrists on that 40-day, 3,000-mile trip, nor have I worn it out on 1,000 miles of biking the last 2 years. Is it worn? I've used handlebar tape over top of pipe insulation, and then used electrical tape to reinforce it. But it is very, very flexible. I want everybody that bikes a long distance to have this available. You will notice that there is a little bit of play that gradually works loose, and occasionally have to tighten these two bolts on each side. Otherwise, it's a very, very comfortable wrist support. 3,000 miles in 40 days, I never had a wrist problem at all.